Enable ArcGraphics to receive simple property in exercise 8. Let's check this component in the exercise. I ran the exercise and I get this map rendered and this graphic rendered also. So let's check where is that in the code. I will check the app ts file. Yeah, here. So I have here a component called ArcGraphic, which receives geometry. I need to receive also simple. Let me check the component and analyze this code. If we checked here, we will find this graphic receive two property. One of them is geometry, which I receive it as a property, and there is another property called simple that's created or routed here. We need to refactor this part. So I need a helper that can able to create for me instance of SimpleMarkerSymbol. So I will create this helper inside my React kit inside SDK folder. So as I created geometry folder, I will create a new folder called Simples, which will include all symbols I will create in the future. So here is simple. I will create a function called create simple marker. So I will create for it a folder with the same name, and inside this folder I will create my function, which very simple. Here I just export create simple marker simple, which receive properties of type simple marker simple properties, which will return the instance of simple marker simple after I passed for it these properties. Of course, I will import simple marker simple from ArcGIS core package. I will save this file and I will create for the simple folder access point called index, which I will export all my samples here. So let's start with export our function here. Okay, so I will export my function, and also I need to export this function in the access point of ArcGIS SDK, but this time from the sample folder, and I need to export this function also in access point of React kit. So I will export it here, but this time from ArcGIS SDK folder. So if just for organization, I will add here a commit, which indicate those exporters coming from ArcGIS SDK and those from ArcGIS components. So that's it. Right now I will use it in the app. So I will move to app file. After creating the point instance, I will create here a sample of my marker sample, instance of my simple marker sample. So here I need to import my function. So I will update ArcGIS React Kit, as you can see here, and I will pass this sample here. I will refactor this part inside ArcGraphics, So I will pass all those properties for the instance, graphic instance. No need for pass them one by one. Right now, no need for this simple, no need for the structuring properties, no need to import SimpleMarkerSymbol. Save all your changes, and let's back to the app. Let's change red to blue to watch that change, and refresh your code, your page. As you can see, our graphic rendered with the new color blue. That's it. Thank you.